Welcome to Manufacturing Processes, Machining and Machine Tools lectures by Professor Joyjeet Ghose. This is the introductory lecture of a series of lectures. This video gives you an idea what is to be expected in this lecture series and how to use the lecture videos. Materials from nature or industry cannot be used in their raw forms for any useful purpose. The materials have to be shaped and formed into different useful components through different manufacturing processes to fulfill the needs. Manufacturing thus converts the raw materials to finished products to be used for some purpose. There are various manufacturing processes by which a product can be made. Each process, however, has its own limitation and restriction, and due to this reason a particular process is adopted to certain specific applications. A detailed understanding of various manufacturing processes is thus very essential for every engineer. This helps in designing the proper product required for him. He would be able to assess the feasibility of manufacturing processes from his designs. He may find that there are more than one process is available for manufacturing a particular product, and he can make a proper choice of the process which would require lowest manufacturing cost. Machining, a particular class of manufacturing processes, could be defined as a controlled process that takes raw material and transforms it into a desired final shape and size. By removal of unwanted material from the raw material, as seen in turning, milling, shaping, grinding. Machining is any process in which a cutting tool is used to remove material from the workpiece in the form of chips off. To perform the operation, relative motion is required between the tool and the work. In modern terminology, machining is also referred to as subtractive manufacturing. Machining is used where one desires high dimensional accuracy and good surface finish of the parts. Application of machined components ranges from automotive, electronics, tool and die making to aerospace industry. This course is thus especially designed to introduce students to a particular class of manufacturing processes called metal cutting processes or machining processes, machine tools and their related aspects. For the first video in the lecture series, please click the suggested video link above. You may also click on the playlist at end of the video to access all the videos. Please subscribe this channel and yes, do not forget to like and share. Also click on the bell icon to receive instant information of new videos uploaded. Thank you.